Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will solve the one problem of RPA, that means Robotic Process Automation. So, my problem statement is in different steps. Steps 1. You have to create new empty CSV file called the output.csv. Second, a daily CSV file is available on a shared drive named as a input.csv. Third, you will open this file and read each record. This record has the following fields: reference, amount, years, months, and interest. Then you have to calculate the monthly payment by using the following formula: amount plus interest by years into 12. You add a record for each calculation in the new file name as output.csv file containing the following fields: reference and monthly payment. The process end. So that's it. This is my task. This all statement says that we have given one input file. So this is my input file. Here there are four columns: reference, amount, years, and interest. Then we have to create one output file. There are two columns: reference, monthly payment, and then we have to calculate monthly payment by monthly payment for all reference number, and then store the value in this output file. For calculator purpose, I have to use this formula: amount plus interest by years into 12. So this is my simple task. So here I have create bot for this problem using a automation anywhere. This is the logic behind this bot. First I will run this bot. Wait, first I have to close all files related to Excel. Now I will run this bot. There are one dialog box. It shows your bot has run successfully. So that means my task is completed. Now see the output file. See, there are two columns: reference and monthly payment, and here for all reference number monthly payments are calculated. So now let's understand the code behind this bot. In first statement, I have used open for a CSV text. First, here in Excel, search CSV. There are three options: close, open, and read. I use open, and in open action, choose desktop file and then browse the path for the input file, and then check out the content header. And now next step, I use loop for accessing all records. So first search loop and then drag this action. So in loop action, choose CSV text. I already chose. Then click out the record option and create one variable for a record. I already done, that's why I am not creating. And then next step, I have to calculate monthly payment for all rows. That's why in loop I used number utils calculation. You can search here. Drag this option and then here. There are two options, first expression to the calculator and then second calculated expression. So in this statement, I have to calculate amount plus interest by years into 12. That's why I used record 1 into record 3 by record 2 into 12, because because record 1 stores amount, record 3 stores interest, and record 2 stores years. You can also know about uh, this variable using a message box. So wait, I will show you. Drag message box and then enter the message to display. I used record by index. I select one and then yes, insert. Now save. Then next action is log2 file. So in log2 file, first I have to insert the path for the output file, then enter text to log. Uh, in output file, we have to insert reference number and monthly payment. So first I choose record 0 because record 0 stores reference number, then comma, and then monthly payment. But there are one problem also. Monthly payment is calculated in number. But in option we cannot insert a number value. I will show you. After comma, when I insert value, there are no option monthly payment. So I click dollar symbol. Then see monthly payment, but it is in number format. So I have to change this number format into string format. So for this purpose, before this dollar, insert a dot. When I insert dot, there are three options: decrement, increment, and toString. So choose toString. This statement change the number value into string format. So that's it. This is the simple logic for solving this problem. I hope you all are understand. So that's it for today. Thank you so much.